going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today, very short video, guys. I'm selling some cars, and I'm going to show at least one of them to you in this video. All right, so I told you guys before I got some vehicles to sell, and this video is dedicated to this Cadillac. This Cadillac is also coming up for sale, but that's going to be in a different video. The Kawasaki motorcycle also coming up for sale, but like I said, this one's going to be about the Cadillac. Just a quick walk around of this bad boy for you, so you can get a good look at it, see what you think. If you're interested, it's got 29,000 miles on the odometer. It is a little dirty. It's been sitting outside for quite a while, but aside from that, this is a good running and driving car, and it has the redesigned North Star engine. What does that mean? That means this is not the engine that you will have problems with the head bolts pulling out of the block, okay? It's got the redesigned North Star in it. We did quite a bit of work to this one, including fixing a window regulator, the air conditioning on the driver's side. The blend door didn't work. We put a couple panels in it, and here it is, coming up for sale right now. If you're watching this video, it's literally already for sale, so get in while the getting's good. She's nice, headliner's good, body and paint is good, tires are good. Interior really is quite nice on this, guys. And again, headliner, very nice in here as well. All right, let's fire it up. Let her come to life. No warning lights on the dash. Air conditioning should kick on immediately. Radio works.
It's our marriage.
All right, it's got a full tank of gas because Monkey Wrench Mike just filled it up. That's right, Monkey Wrench Mike used this car for a little while, and we put 810 miles on it, almost 1,000 miles. We've averaged 20.2 miles a gallon. Yes, cruise control works, windows work, horn works, lights and signal, you know the drill, guys. It all works. All right, so why am I selling it? Well, I don't drive it anymore, and I've got so many cars coming in and going, I can't see straight anymore, guys. It's time to unload some of these vehicles. Let's pop the hood. It does have a full-size spare in the back as well. We're not taking this one on a drive, guys. Usually I do, but I'm not going to be doing that with any of these cars. There's that redesigned North Star engine. Purrs like a kitten. Doesn't use any coolant. There's no issues like that at all, guys. This is just a solid running and driving Cadillac right here. So the reason we're not going to be doing the traditional 10-mile test drive in each one of these cars is mainly because I don't have time, guys. I just don't have time to go take these on a 10-mile test drive today. So this one's for sale. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a link to each one of these cars in the description box below, okay? Including the 76 Cadillac Eldorado. I got the convertible top working on this one. There it is. But we will come back in a separate video, and it will be a more detailed, start it up, let you guys hear it run and everything. This, I'm not even going to talk about it. This is new. It's been on fire. This also was new. Literally accidentally won this one. I had no intentions of buying this C5. I don't care for the C5. It was so cheap, I threw a bid on it, I forgot about it, and then I won it. So great, now I've got a C5 Corvette that needs work. The Viper's still here. The Monte Carlo, I don't even want to talk about that one either. The bus that I haven't gotten around to. The Ram, and the next one up for sale. My 2000 Kawasaki Voyager 12. This thing is already up for sale as well. I'm going to put a link to each one of the cars that's up for sale. The Subaru, probably coming up for sale here very soon. I actually have to fix the air conditioning on it and then just probably give it a bath, clean it up a little bit. That one's going to be going up soon, but it is not for sale yet. Next, the Chevy Astro EXT conversion van, also up for sale right now. Like I said, I will put links below this video for you guys, okay? But this video was dedicated to the Cadillac. We're going to keep it that way. Just a short video to say, hey, the limousine is for sale. These are going to be up for sale as well. So if you're interested, definitely check the links down in the description box below. And with that, I'm going to get out of here, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. Look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.